live stream system. Live stream. A live stream is a system developed to detect various ferrous and non-ferrous metals in real time. That is, in the form of a direct transmission with a direct visual representation of the signal according to a specific color that reflects the nature of the target. For example, precious metal, gold, or tunnel. The signal measurement process, or the scanning process, is done by the VST, Vertical High Signal Transceiver Unit, which is a probe at the end of which there is a quadrilateral cone on both sides and bars consisting of many light-emitting diodes, or LEDs, that change their colors according to target type, that is, depending on the target that the VST probe is passing over at this moment. For example, the LED lights will light up in blue when passing over a cavity or space, such as a tunnel, and light up red when passing over a precious metal, such as copper or silver, etc. The signals captured by the VST probe are represented on the screen of the device as a continuous color stream that changes colors according to the type of potential target. Similarly, the color will be red when capturing a precious metal signal, green for the ground, blue for a cavity. In conjunction with the color changing indicator, the device will make sound tones according to the type of target whose signal was captured. Also, the user can see a visual representation of the signals captured on any supported Android tablet via multi-visual analyzer that displays the signal plot in a graph, and the color of the graph will change in a similar way depending on the nature of the signal, that is, the type of metal or target. Device installation. 1. Connect the VST probe. Note: ensure that the antenna's unit is locked and closed so that the unit is stable during use. Two, use the power socket on the bottom of the main unit to connect the battery. Note: immediately after entering any search system from the main menu, a video will appear which will notify the device's assembly steps. System selection. To start using, select Live Stream System from the main menu, and then press the OK button. Note: use the scanner speed option to speed up, slow down the sensor scan speed. To use it after changing, press the Start button of the device to set it. How to use. After setting up, point the VST sensor vertically on the ground and start the scan process. Make sure that there are no metal objects in your shoes and keep the distance between the probe and the ground constant. Also, during this procedure, the VST sensor should point vertically toward the ground. It should not rotate or pivot or even swing. During the operation, you will see the color change in the device screen, and according to the color change, the user will know whether there is a target underground or not. On the right side of the screen, there are three boxes, which are Value. It directly indicates the value of the signal captured by the search sensor. The colors of the indicator change according to the change of these values. Speed. Use the scanner speed option to speed up, slow down the speed of the sensor scan. Any change in the speed will ask the user to press the Start button to apply the new changes. Sensitivity. Use the sensitivity option to increase or decrease the sensitivity of the search sensor. Any change in the sensitivity will ask the user to press the Start button to apply the new options. The following is a description of the connotations of different colors. Green, normal, natural ground. Light blue, a small space. Blue, a large void, like a tunnel. Yellow, a small piece of a metal object. Red, gold, or a larger piece of metal object. During the live stream, the LED lights on the head of the VST probe display the same color as the screen display, making it easier for the user to focus on the scan process instead of looking at the screen. The Multi-Visual Analyzer app. In Livestream system, the device was equipped with a special technology which makes it capable of full control of scan process through the Multi-Visual Analyzer app. To do so, turn the device on and assemble the device according to the Livestream system. Then, enter the Multi-Visual Analyzer app on the tablet and choose a Livestream system from the app. We will see the system started working immediately in the app, and the display method is relatively similar to the system display on the device screen in terms of the flow of the colors of the indicator on the tablet. With two boxes on the top right of the tablet screen, which is the direct value of the search sensor, and the calibration box, which is used to recalibrate the search sensor by pressing it once. While using the Livestream system from the tablet, a screen will appear on the device, and an alert informs the device is connected to the tablet. To exit the system, when the device is connected to the tablet, please exit the app on the tablet first, and it will automatically return to the main menu on the device.